We're super excited to introduce our brand new Ultimate Infinite Effects Night Cream, a dual action face cream that tackles multiple signs of aging. How? By combining two of the most powerful anti-aging ingredients, retinol and glycolic acid. Did you know? When used alone, the effects of retinol slow down over time. Rubbish, right? But when you use it in rotation with our super prepping ingredient, the benefits of retinol last week after week. Right, first things first. Cleanse the day away so that your face is ready for application. In week 1, it's time to apply glycolic acid in our unique formula. Glycolic acid works to resurface your skin, removing any dead cells to prepare for the superpower that is retinol. Simply massage into your face and neck using upward and outward motions. Watch as your skin appears instantly brighter and more radiant. In week 2, rotate to retinol. Cleanse as usual and pat dry, then apply our anti-aging hero, retinol. This battles against lines and sagging, leaving your skin feeling firmer and looking smoother. From there, simply repeat the weekly cycles and watch as deep wrinkles fade away.